We're at Clifton Gorge Preserve. First time for me. Beautiful, beautiful area. I just been thinking of coming out here and changed my mind about 6 times, and why I didn't come out here I don't know, but it's gonna be a beautiful day for early June 2nd. Got my Trek stick stuck in the board. It's gonna be 87 today, so I'm out here about 10 o'clock doing a quick hike. I don't know if you can read that or even see it. That's a Patterson Mill overlook. The abundant water power of Clifton Gorge was highly valued by early settlers. The first to use it was Owen Davis and Benjamin Whiteman, who built a sawmill, a grist mill, and an inn on the present site in 1803. By 1809, Robert Peterson, founder of Lexington, Kentucky, co-founder of Cincinnati, and early settler of Dayton, Ohio, had built a mill to make cotton and wool cloth at this site. The 4-story mill spanned at the gorge like a bridge. Its 22-foot overshot wheel nestled in an alcove in the rock. During the War of 1812, this mill provided cloth for the uniforms of the American soldiers fighting in Ohio. In 1870, a flood demolished the mill. Another flood in 1876 destroyed its dam. All that is left is square holes cut in the rock along the river, which has anchored the beams supporting the mill. Very interesting. We're sitting on a mill site here. Well, an old mill site. As you can see, hopefully the holes down there that they cut, as they were describing in the rock, probably can't hear me, but it is so off.